You spawn here, you're gonna go around and kill this guy. He probably knows you're coming, so be smart. He might be in the tree. You know? He's not in it. Push up, push up, push up, push up. Oh yeah, I see him. He's there. Just in case they get pushed on real quick. Yep. We're gonna take his route. Ah! The route he should have gone. Yeah, there he is right there. Dang it. We'll keep our gun up just in case. Creep, creep, creep. Hopefully it's just one guy. I hear two though. Yep, there's a second. There you go. Ah, of course, Mr. Boombastic. I was looking up the hill. Idiot. He was on top. It was the guy from right here. The guy from upside. Oh my gosh. I knew he was around. I just... Stupid. I'm so stupid. Every time I land right here, I always go around this corner. It's like a bad habit. Somebody on this side. Let me just kill him now before we have a confrontation later. We'll move. Ah! What the? No! Oh, Nick. Really like this fade in. Alright, you know what it is. Gonna go around. I didn't even bring an NRS with me, which is not good. I just... Friend with them, no friend. No friend. Ooh! Always nice. Oh, that's scary. Oh, oh. What the heck? Wish I had an NRS on me. That'd be even better. No NRS. Okay. Switch to an AK. Come on, Marlene. Help me out of this pickle. Help me out of this pickle, baby. I gotta get out of here. Yep. We'll hope for the best for myself. Ooh. 2 decent guns, right? Yeah, 2 decent guns. There you go. And 2 kills. Who can be upset with that? Okay. We're just gonna assume that this person thinks like me, and they're gonna come around this corner and kill me. Get him, Phoenix. Get him. So I guess that guy on the beach came up here over here, so if this guy's not coming around here, I'm going to that guy. I mean, he's already up there killing people? Ah! Sorry, bub. You just had a pistol. Nice. We have a friend. Hi. Oh, shit. And let's see. Yeah, this guy has something. This guy has something here. Oh. Oh. Gun jam. Yep. Don't let this killing go to my head, though. I can still die. I can still die. Ah, okay. I just don't feel like dying. If you're gonna kill me, this is the time to do it, bub. The good thing is, we know this guy who shoots is a nervous Nilly. Just shoots as soon as he sees us. I like to wait a little bit, you know? Make sure they go the way I want them to go. Ah, no, I want this. Let me see this thing. Yeah. Pretty good, pretty good. Ooh. Guapo fu. Guapo fu? Oh, okay. I'm Jamba Juice and Ethan.